This video is a joke. It's not to be taken serious. It's seriously funny. Please stand by. Extremely funny content added. This is how Atasia Davis plays basketball with her forehead. Take one. Offense. Go. How y'all doing? Alright, let me show y'all how Tay play basketball with her forehead. You see this big old thing right here, but her way bigger than mine. Gotta get down. Gotta get the ball. Tip off. So, boom! Oh! No. Ready to play? Oh, bro, I'm tired of boy following me, bro. Stop. Yeah, come on. Alright, bro, I got everything. Hold up my forehead all that. You missed me, you broke the backboard. Alright, defense. That boy, I see now you finna go to jail. You put the boy in concussion.